The KENWOOD DRV-A610WDP 4K dash cam offers outstanding video quality with its 8.3 megapixel front camera and 3.7 megapixel rear camera, ensuring clear footage day or night. Equipped with an advanced IMX415 sensor and wide dynamic range technology, this dash cam minimizes blind spots and captures critical details like number plates and road signs. The KENWOOD Dash Cam Manager app allows seamless wireless access to live footage, speed, and GPS data, providing convenience and control through Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. A built-in G-sensor enhances safety by detecting collisions or hard braking, automatically saving crucial video files and geo-tagging them with essential data. With loop recording functionality and a 64 gigabyte microSD card included, the dashcam ensures continuous recording without running out of storage. Designed for easy installation, the weather-resistant rear camera and long cable make it versatile for various vehicle setups, enhancing both security and convenience.